Okay, so this one I can make cosine 3x the subject is minus half. Okay, so same thing, solve it. Find your alpha. Cosine inverse half. Okay, take note that cosine or basic angle has to be acute and positive. Okay, so take your calculator in degree mode. Cosine inverse half. Or you notice it is a special angle, 60 degrees. Special angle. Okay, so second step, ASTC. Okay, cosine is a negative here. So cos is in the second and third. What's going on? Second and third quadrant. Okay, and take note that this is 3x, so I will need to change the range. My given range is from 0 to 180 instead of 360. Now I need to change it to 3x. So 540. 540 is what? 1.5 rounds. Okay, 1.5 rounds. Okay, so this is about 1.5 rounds. Okay, so let's list it. 3x equals to 180 minus 60 degrees. Third quadrant, 180 plus 60. And I need to add 360 to the first quadrant because this one will exceed my range. So 360, this. Okay, and then every solution divide by 3. Okay, so work it out. 180 minus 60 divided by 3, 40 degrees. 80 degrees. 160 degrees. Okay, can? So I want to reiterate that I do not need to add 360 to the third quadrant because it is 1.5 rounds only. It doesn't include the third quadrant in the second round. Hence, the 3 solutions only. Alright? Okay. So this is a typical trigo question. You will see in your end of year exam, it will be about 10 marks, just like that. Okay? Yeah. They will always ask you to prove first, solve, and then hence. So it's about 10 marks. Okay, your end of year is about 90 marks in total. Yeah, 2 hours, 15 minutes. That is the normal format. Alright? Okay, let's look at the next last part. Let's look at the practice question. I think I have only one question for you to practice. Prove the following identity as this. Left hand side equals to right hand side. Which one should I start with, please? Okay, I should start with the left hand side. Okay, so sine this minus 60 degrees. Okay, now which formula must you use? Sin x minus 30 plus cos x minus 60. Addition formula. Okay, so use your addition formula. Okay, for sine is sine cos minus cosine. Okay, so this will be sine x cos 30. Okay, the negative becomes plus cos x sine 30. Okay, as you do this kind of question, you also need to start to recognize that 30 degrees is a special angle. Okay, so start to gear yourself to special angles. Okay, and for cosine plus minus 60. Cos x, cos 60 plus sin x, sin 60. Remember I told you cos is cos, sin, sin. Okay? So if you can't remember, flip to the addition formula in the second worksheet. You should get it. Or all the way to the back. I think the back I just put the formula sheet for you. Correct? You can look at that worksheet that I've given to you, the formula sheet. Okay, so cosine, cos x, cos 60, minus becomes plus, sin x, sin 60 degrees. Okay, let's simplify. What is cosine 30? Please put that away. Okay, cos 30, special angle. You square it, what do you get? Root 3 over 2 sin x, right? Sin 30 is? What is sin 30, boys? Lucas, what are you doing with your iPad? Why are you so busy with your iPad? Marcus, you need my soft copy, is it? Okay, simplify that. Sin 30 is how many degrees? Oh, thanks. Thanks, Luke. So this one should be minus. So I put it in red. Because sine is negative, the same symbol remains. So it'll be half cosine x plus cos 60 is also half cos x sin 60 root 3 over 2. Okay, plus root 3 over 2 sin x. Okay, and you will notice that which of the values will cancel out. Okay, this cosine will cancel away. And you'll get root 3 over 2 plus root 3 over 2 is just root 3 sin x. Okay, so put your equal sign. Equals to right hand side. Okay? Alright, let's go to the next question. Hence solve this. So if they tell you hence, you have to look at part A. Do you see the connection between above and part B? What happens in the left hand side? Is it exactly the same? Sin x minus 30 plus cosine x minus 60. Is it exactly the same as this? Yes. Okay, so this equals to root 3 sin x. So this will be root 3 sin x equals half secant x. Okay, so root 3 sin x is the one that you have shown, equals to half secant x. Theodore, what are you doing? Put your iPad away. Thank you. Okay, so secant is what? 1 over cosine. So 1 over 2 cos x. Okay, here is a bit tricky. You need to manipulate a bit. Okay, why do I say it's a bit tricky? You realize if you cross multiply, what will you get? You get sin x, cos x. So yesterday I told you to recognize the double angles. The moment you got sin x, cos x, you should get a double angle. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to rearrange. 2 sin x, cos x is 1 over root 3. Any questions on this step? I'm bringing the sin x to the denominator. Sorry, I'm bringing the 2 cosine x to the above and the root 3 to the denominator. So I'm rearranging. And you will notice that this is the same as sine 2x. This is your double angle formula. Okay, 2 sine x cos x is sine 2x, the double angle. Root 3, yes, Michael, thanks. I saw your confused face. Okay, and in this step, can you find your alpha? Okay, let's go. Find alpha, change range, solve. Let's do that. Why you don't use the table? Sorry? Is this one? I will go after this, Marcus. Of course not. I will support one. I got change, young man. I'm a prepared person. Okay, find alpha. Sine inverse 1 over root 3. Okay, 35.264 degrees. ASTC, first and second. Okay, I need to change range from 360, change to 2x. Do I include it? Yes. Oh, no need to include. Sorry, 720. Okay, so list it. 2x equals 35.264. 180 minus 35.264. Go one more round, add 360. So 360 plus 35.264. 360 plus this answer. Solve for x. Okay, work it out. 17.6. 72.4. Okay, 35 not 25. 360 plus 35.264. 197.6. Divide by 2. 252.4 degrees. Okay, please help me double check whether I made any careless mistake. Okay, key in. Check for me, please. Your computer. Okay. Okay. Alright. Okay, so I'm done with your worksheet. What I can do is I can get you to do your SDL. I want you to open your SDL and I will give you some